Our design team consists of several distinctive characters. We have very different personalities with very different needs, and each of us is more or less at home in their own special bike segment. Because of this, we are a group of individualists. There are guys who travel the world on their bikes, and there are also motocross and trial freaks, as well as hardcore racers. Only those who have pushed their bikes to the limit know what bikes are about. Sketching is the beginning of the design process. It means bringing ideas to life. Every designer has got his own style, which is good. Sometimes the first sketch is the best, sometimes it's the last. There are no standards for creativity. Designing a motorcycle means a lot more than just defining its proportions, surfaces and details. It also means designing all the technical parts. Therefore, designers, engineers and modelers use the Powerball to make sure all technical requirements are met right down to the detail. We don't just draw bikes, of course we ride them, because only then you know what it's all about. Yes, we have some petrol in our blood. Many of us work on bikes in their spare time. We maintain, customize, restore or simply collect bikes. We want to perceive our motorcycles as something personal. At work you have to meet many requirements and design bikes according to mass production. But in your free time you are unrestricted, an independent person who can give free rein to your personal ideas. Some of us own several bikes, all kind of segments, modern and high-tech. And once in a while you can see the guys riding out on their vintage bikes. Clay modeling is a very important phase of the design process. This is when the two-dimensional drawing becomes a piece of three-dimensional work for the first time. When the clay has become solid, the model is painted to make it look like a real motorcycle. You have to see and to feel the bike and be able to sit on it to bring it to the final perfection. Later in the process, the design team often meets to discuss the refinement and quality details, such as forms, surfaces and joint lines. We are very proud of the high material quality of our riding gear. Naturally, it is instrumental to us that our garments protect the rider in every way. But we also find it important that our clothes fit perfectly and give the rider the best climate on the bike. Depending on the segment, the garments do not only meet different requirements, but also meet different styles. Cuts and colors signify the individual segment. Our color and trim department is responsible for the colors, surfaces and graphics of our bikes. They underline the bike's shape and highlight its character. Excellent color and trim gives the bike the perfect final touch. This moment is amazing. This is the moment when we see the result of what the whole team has been working on over the past years. My name is Edgar Heinrich, Head of Design BMW Motorrad.